Hello there. If you want to figure out how to fulfill an order using the CJ Dropshipping, you are in the right place. So let's dig into it. Let's do this. A really simple step. So there are two ways that we can do this, but the best and easy way, the way that we're going to be showing you how to do this is using a store. So you can connect your CJ Dropshipping as a supplier, as a third party. You can create the dropshipping. I mean, you can do that into your store. You don't have to make purchases inside the CJ Dropshipping. Like, let's say you want to choose an item, choose to buy, fulfilled all that information of your clients. I mean, you don't have to be really focused into anything if you follow the next steps. So in our case, we do love to have a store using for example, I'm going to be using Shopify. Shopify is really easy to use if you want to work in the dropshipping industry. So I'm going to leave you guys a link down below in the description. If you want to create your Shopify account, you might be able to have 3 months for only $1 freaking, which I think it's really low price comparing with all the features that Shopify has to offer to us. Now here, for example, I do have my sales channel, I do have my online store, and as you can see, I've just started with my Dawn theme. So this is my store. Actually, we don't have anything, so I don't want to focus here into the themes. I just want to focus into how we can add some products from CJ, adding that into our Shopify store, and then what we can do is to put those directly into our online store so people can start making orders directly from our store, and then the order is going to be sent automatically into CJ Dropshipping. So let's begin. First of all, once you have your account here into Shopify, you have your store already created. You don't want to focus into the theme, into the creative section. We just want to focus into the products. So first of all, I'm going to hit into apps. I'm going to hit add applications, and here as you can see, we have the CJ Dropshipping. So I want to hit into add. And what's going to happen is going to be asking me for the authorization to install that into my Shopify store. So I need to install the application real quick. And what's going to happen is going to be redirecting us into the CJ Dropshipping once again. So if you want to close your previous tab like this, I'm going to go back into the CJ Dropshipping. I'm going to hit into do you had a CJ account with this email, so you can authorize now. So if I choose to authorize, I just needed to sign in, or what I can do is to choose all of these options. So in my case, I do want to sign in real quick. If you don't remember your account, what you can do is to create another account. I mean, it's really easy to do that process. So you're going to be popped with all of these features. I don't want to focus in here. I want to close and close. So what I want to do in order to fulfill orders is to, of course, I want to find the products that I want to sell. So here, what I want to do is to go into the warehouse. So I'm going to hit into the dropshipping supplier. I'm going to hit into the X button, and here into the X button, what I wanted to do is to choose, first of all, the authorization of my Shopify, so I can be really sure that this account is merged from into the Shopify store. So I want to go here. I'm gonna hit into never mind me again. I'm gonna hit into the X button, and here is my store. Here is really easy, and the store status is activated. So once I started here to send my orders directly into my store, what's going to happen is when someone makes an order from my store, it's going to be added automatically into the CJ Dropshipping. That's the really magical stuff about creating here dropshipping. So what I want to do is to find a product. So I want to choose this option of Happy New Year. You just want to figure it out which are like the winning products that you can sell. So let's say that I want to choose this windproof lighter like this, and if I like this product, I hit into the option that says add it to the queue. If I go into the list or connect, I can add those directly into my pending products. So here's the connection. So here's the connect. If I hit to press the product clean the product, sorry, to add that into your store. So what you want to do is to choose the Johnny. I mean, this is the option that I have here available into my Shopify. Hit into the store. I want to choose this store. Hit into synced. So as you can see, the process, it's going to be just making the synced process. Actually, it was a little bit more harder, but now I think that the CJ Dropshipping has automatically updated all the forms of importing the things and all that. So what I want to do is to figure it out if I do have this already available into my store. So I can see the products that I just added right away. So what I want to do is to list one of those. So I want to choose list now. Here you go. So what's going to happen here is going to be appearing all our SKU, our color, the price, and here is the total dropshipping cost. This is the part when you want to put your custom price of your item. So if this one has been sold like it's $4, let's say that you want to input $7, $7, 7 and 7. Why do we have 4 of this? Because you can see we have 4 variants of color. I mean, we have 5 variants of color. And the shipping method, you're gonna leave it like that. Go into the OK, and here into the all listing you can add a template if you want to, but in our case we don't want to focus on that. We just want to make this really quick. So lastly, what you need to do is to add to list now. So as you can see, we have the listed successfully. So what I need to do now is to hit into view it into the store. So this one is going to be sending us back into Shopify, and we can look for our products. And there we go. So what you want to do here is to change the title if you want to. For example, I want to choose the Mountaineer Windproof Ladder. I'm going to leave it like this. And here is our price, here's our variant, and the price of all the variants. So after that, hit into save. And then what I want to do is to go back into my product so I can see that here is my active status. So lastly, what you want to do is to create a new collection. So if I go into collections, I'm going to hit into homepage, and here into the homepage I want to add my product. As you can see, this product has been added automatically. So lastly, I just need to add this directly into my online store so people can start to fulfill orders inside my store, and this automatically is going to be sending this order directly into my dropshipping account. So I can go into my orders, I have orders fulfillment, and those should be appearing right in here. You see, it was really easy to do this, and we don't have to do absolutely anything because the application has everything under control. So there you have it, guys. Hopefully this was a very useful video for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more about this CJ Dropshipping, and of course you have the links down below in the description of the Shopify store so you can take advantage of all the new features that this platform has to offer to us. So thank you once again for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.